Hi, what's up, Polygon holders? So this is live price prediction video of Polygon, but don't worry, my brother. In this video, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, and please, in this video, I will give you something very secret information about Polygon and to what's happening to their fails down and what can in upcoming time can they be moving upward or not. My brother, in previous days, all coins were very badly fails down like that, as you can see, my friend, on the screen. Definitely, my friends, after a short fails, every coin, my friends, every coin after a short fails take a very huge jump. So therefore, my brother, I am 100% sure, and I am waiting for this huge target to they will again hit now 1.45 USD dollar. This time you can see, my friends, they will current price is 1.38 USD dollar. So it's a very cheap, but I hope, my friends, in upcoming days they will moving upward and they will give you a very good profit. Definitely, my friends, for a short time they will fails down, but the resistance line, as you can see here, my friend, the resistance line definitely clearly told this, my friends, to upcoming time this coin will moving upward. But don't worry, my friends, if they were fails down for a short time, so that does not mean to they were permanently fails down. They cannot moving upward, they cannot wake up. This is completely wrong. I hope in upcoming time they will give you very good profit. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.